In today's video, I would like to show you how you can connect your hosting domain to system.io. So this is really simple. And if you follow my steps, you will make it successful. So firstly, we want to go to Hostinger, then in domains on the left side, and you want to go to your domains portfolio. So I have only this domain and you can copy it. So we can paste it in system. Now you can open system.io and you want to go to your profile. So hover your mouse on your profile, then settings. And from here you want to look for customs domains. And now you should see the default domain which system.io creates for you. And in order to add custom one, you just want to click on this add domain over here. And you want to paste the domain we copied from our hostinger. Then click save. Domain name must begin with www, so we just have to add this www before our domain. So www, and then you can click save. And now we will receive those two DNS records which we need to add in our hostinger. So how you can do it, it's really simple. So I will open this manage button next to my domain. And from here you want to go to DNS/name servers. And from here you should see your DNS records. If you have already existing records like this CNAME, you want to remove it because it's going to conflict with the other one and it might not work. So I will remove my existing records. And now once you have your records removed, we can go to system.io and we can copy the first one. So the first one record is a CNAME, that's the type. And for the name, you want to just copy this www, or you can write it manually. So I will copy this value, this one, and I will choose type CNAME. Name is www, and the target is the value. So I will click on add record. The DNS record created successfully. So the first one is okay, and we can go to the second one. And in second one, it type is the same as the first one, so CNAME. But you want to copy everything until this dot. So you want to only copy this value. Where it says dot checkmark, you don't want to copy it. So I will copy everything before the dot. There is a little dot. Like this. And then we can go to Hostinger, choose type CNAME. Name is this value. And then the target is this. So copy all of this value, paste it in target, click add record. And now once we have those two records added, you just want to wait for propagation. So on system.io, it's showing you pending validation. So this may take up to 48 hours to propagate. So over here, it can take between 24 and 48 hours for the DNS records fully propagate. And so once they are propagate, you will see this check mark and then ready to use. And that's pretty much it. So this is how you can connect your hosting domain to system.io. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.